In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Zynga Poker. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, go ahead and open up Zynga Poker and make sure to sign in. Once you sign in, on the bottom right hand corner, go ahead and click on the friends. And now on the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. Click on referrals. And now play with friends, it will say a little pop up. So you get 100,000 free chips when you refer a friend to play Zynga Poker. How cool. So what we need to do is click on that share button, and then we want to go ahead and share it, or we could just write down copy this code here, and then what we need to do is give that to your friends or family for them to add you as a friend. And then what they need to do, just let them know to come over to Zynga Poker, click on the friends, click on referrals, and then they need to go to redeem and then put in that code there and then click submit. But you need to make note, you need to play at least 3 hands through redeem promo code, so make sure you've done that. Then once you can add friends to Zynga Poker.